Hey friends, and welcome to another video with me. I'm so glad that you're here today. Unfortunately for today, we just have a short one. I recently fell on the ice and hurt my wrist, so I haven't been able to do a whole lot of cleaning, but I did have this footage, and so I hope you enjoy this kitchen reset. It's another one of an after dark, and I know that's the last one, but it's all I got, friends, and also an early morning kind of quick tidy up and pack a lunch for my son. I'm going to share a quick recipe with y'all, like if you're in a pinch and you don't know what to make your kids for lunch. This is such an incredible recipe, and it literally comes together in like 10 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and thank you so much as always for being here. I hope you enjoy the music selection. I'm going to let you guys take it in because, like I said, it's not that long of a video, but I will have a whole house clean with me coming up on Friday's video. This week we got a Friday's video, and so to make up for this super short one, I'll have a whole house clean with me in Friday's video. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy.
I know that it's real, cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna na 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 now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Said you needed a break and left with no heads up. I was strong for your sake.
So earlier I had made some cinnamon rolls, and they were absolutely delicious, friends. I'll share that recipe soon. However, this is not a quick recipe. This is quite the labor of love. But also my mother-in-law sent me some cake, and so I'm just wrapping those nicely, and we have delicious baked goods for snacks and or breakfast treats, and it's incredible.
Days go by and I can't help but wonder if you think about me too. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you. We're like everyone else, we have our ups and downs. It is not just one mistake that made you think about what life can be like without me in it. I still thought it'd be you and I until we die, but I'll give you the space so you can figure this out. I've been losing sleep and it won't get better. I can't get my mind off of you. Days go by and I can't help but wonder if you think about me too. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you. I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy.
Alright, so for some reason my footage just cut out. I thought I was filming, but evidently not. Anyway, it is the next morning, and as you can see, I have a lot of stuff on my kitchen counters, and that is because I was going through stuff and trying to figure out what to keep and what to donate, so please forgive the crowded counters. However, I just want to put a few dishes in the dishwasher. I put some pasta water to boil, and so I'm going to tell you what this recipe is. Are you ready for it? Prepare to have your mind blown. It is so simple, friends, and all it is tortellini. You buy tortellini from wherever. I got mine from Costco, and you just add pesto to it once it cooks. So my tortellini boils in about 9 to 12 minutes. Just taste it. When it's done, it's done. Follow your package instructions, and then just put pesto on it. My son loves it. He will eat that for breakfast, lunch, and dinner whenever. So whenever I haven't prepped ahead or made a supper large enough to have leftovers for lunch, that's typically what my go-to is if I don't feel like making him a sandwich. Now, don't get me wrong, we do make quite a few sandwiches for lunch, but sometimes, you know, he wants a different thing, or if I notice he's not finishing his sandwiches, I'll try and switch it up, and so that's it. Boil your tortellini and add pesto, and there you have it. An easy, nutritious, quick lunch, and yeah, that's it. I also did want to pick up a few things before he came downstairs, but yeah, I don't really go crazy with cleaning in the morning. I usually just do bottles and whatever else is urgent to get the sink clear, and then I call it quits. Just enough so I can make lunch and breakfast without clutter.
There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. yourself, 'cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears aren't proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light, you're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be to be happy. You can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right.
Alright, that stuff that you can see over in the corner that's on that little extendable colander is actually all for donation. I just hadn't gotten a chance to pack it away. I also peel my garlic in bulk, that way I don't have to peel it every time I need to cook, because peeling garlic is probably the most annoying part about cooking with garlic. Anyways, I'm trying to clean this sandwich press, but it's not budging, so I just sprayed some Dawn Power Wash and just put the paper towel on it and left it. And I'll even attempt to clean it, but it was too early in the morning for scrubbing, so I just kind of close it and walk away, and I did deal with it later in the day. But in the morning, things are very relaxed around here. I don't scrub. If something doesn't come off on the first try, I usually just soak it and I'll come back to it later. But here is the best part of this recipe: drain it and add the pesto, and it is done, ready for eating hot. It tastes really good, but also like as a lunch it's also very good. So there you have it, folks. That's it. Quite a simple recipe. It'll save your life and you will thank me later. Trust me on this one.
Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am.
Alright friends, I always say it here, but I'm gonna say it again. Your homes do not have to look like a catalog. I struggled quite a bit leaving the video here where the sink still has dishes in it and things on the counter, but I always want to show you real life, and I always want to encourage you that it doesn't look perfect all the time, and it doesn't need to look perfect all the time. And whatever cleaning you get done, that's fantastic, and whatever you don't get done, well, you can get it done later or not at all. And just give yourself grace to have a lived-in home. As always, thank you so much for being here, friends. I hope you enjoyed today's short video and it motivated you and encouraged you that even if you don't get all the things done, it's all right and it's all good. Alright, I'll catch you guys on Friday where we'll do a whole house clean with me. I'm super excited for that. And until then, have a great week.